Hi, I'm Alle Parker and I am with the Back to School crew. I am here to tell you about the best junior highs around. The principals at Cabot Junior High North are Charlotte Sandage, Amy Butler, and Mike Nash. The principals at Cabot Junior High South are Dr. John West, Mandy Carmichael, and Lance Schiestel. Teachers at Junior High South and North are both amazing and not only care about our academic success, but care about us as individuals. Both schools also have a wide variety of clubs, sports, and exciting extracurricular activities to participate in. Schedules for traditional as well as digital students will be released online via the Home Access Center, or HAC, by 8 a.m. on Thursday, August 13th. If you have forgotten your password, call your school. If you need to make a schedule change, you must make an appointment with one of the counselors. Open house for all students is Thursday, August 20th. More information on specific details will be shared by your school. Be sure to check our district website and social media. Also new this year, every student, whether they will attend in classroom or digitally, will be assigned a Chromebook. Chromebooks will be given out at open house and the first week of school. If you borrowed one, don't worry. Just bring it to open house and exchange it for your assigned device. If you owe a fine, you can also take care of it at open house. Now, here's some great news. Breakfast, once again, is free for all students again this year. Now, this is an important reminder about the first 2 days of school. This includes Cabot Panther Digital Academy students. Only students whose last name begins with A through K will attend or log in on Monday, August 24th. Only students whose last name begins with L through Z will attend or log in Tuesday, August 25th. And the first day of school for all students is Wednesday, August 26th. Now, one last thing. If you have a new K through 12 student and haven't registered yet, click on student registration at the top of the district website to do it online. For more information, call central office at 501-843-3363. School will be here before we know it, and we hope you have a great year.